Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. In the yesterday's video, we have learnt about how the signals travel in our body, and also we have learnt about receptors, effectors, sensory nerves and motor nerves. So in this video, we are going to discuss about human nervous system. The human nervous system consists of the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system consists of cranial nerves arising from the brain and spinal nerves arising from the spinal cord. Here you can see the cranial nerves and spinal nerves. So the central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system consists of the cranial nerves which are arising from the brain and spinal nerves which are arising from the spinal cord. Here you can see the cranial and spinal nerves. So now let us discuss about the neuron. Neuron is the structural and functional unit of nervous system. It has a cell body called a cyton, and which contains a nucleus and cytoplasm. Here you can see the cyton which consists of nucleus and cytoplasm, and soma is nothing but the cell body, and also it has a several branched structures called dendrites. Here you can see the dendrites. The several branched structures of the neuron is called as dendrites, and it has a long nerve fiber called axon. So this is the long nerve fiber which is called as axon, which is covered by a protective covering called myelin sheath. And the junction between two neurons is called synapse. Messages pass through the nerve cell in the form of chemical signals called nerve impulse. So here you can see that the dendrites receive the information and starts a chemical reaction which triggers the electrical impulse, and the electrical impulse passes through the axon. Here you can see the axon. So the electrical signal passes through the axon and reaches the axon terminal, and then passes the message to the dendrites of the another neuron. So here you can see the dendrites of the another neuron. So this is how the information is transferred between the nerve cells. So here you can see how the neurons are connected with each other. The dendrites receive the information and starts a chemical reaction which triggers electrical impulse and passes through the axon and reaches the axon terminal, and then passes the message to the dendrites of another nerve cell. So this is how the information is transferred between the nerve cells. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.